Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install app that allows you to create or extract RAR and zip archives on WIKO U Pulse. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here in the search, enter RAR. It's app that allows us to perform the actions I mentioned in the title of this video. Now let's install it. When it's ready, click on the open. Allow access to the photos and all of the files on this device, and the app should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.